Good morning, students. Welcome to the online lecture of Class 3 English. Basically, students, as we know, we have revised our chapter 1 and chapter 2 for the second unit test. And today we are going to revise our last chapter, which is our solar system. So, students, as we already discussed the planets and also we have done this activity in our online class. So, let's discuss again by looking at these pictures. So students, basically this is Mercury, this is Mars, Saturn, Earth, Venus, Neptune, Jupiter and Uranus. And students, we have done this activity 3 also. Activity 4th. But first, we will discuss this because it is very much necessary. So, we are having 8 planets around the sun. Listen as I call each one. Mercury, here number 1, closest to the sun. Venus, here number 2, shining bright just like new. Earth, here number 3, Earth is home to you and me. Mars, here number 4, red and ready to explore. Jupiter, here number 5, largest planet, that's no jive. Saturn, here number 6, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here number 7, a planet with tilted high in heaven. Neptune, here number 8, with one dark spot whose size is great. This whole is by Mish Goldis. So we can see, students, here we have Mercury, the number 1, which is very much closest to the sun. Venus is very much bright. Earth, where human beings and the creatures live. Mars, which is very much red. Jupiter, which is the largest planet. Saturn, with rings of dust and ice that mix. Uranus, here we have number 7 with tilted high. Neptune, we have this number 8 with one dark spot whose size is great. So students, this much information is very much necessary. And here we have activity 4, activity 5, 6 and directly we are heading towards the important activity which is very much necessary. And that is activity 10. So students, we have already discussed the type of planets and how they are. So let's discuss more by solving this challenge. And this activity is very much necessary for our upcoming second unit test also. So please be focused. So let's discuss, students. Here we have activity 10. First one. I am the 5th planet from the sun. I am the biggest planet. I am an outer planet. I am named after the Greek king of gods. I am dash. So as students, we have discussed this line that I am the biggest planet. Let's memorize which. Then you will directly strike in your head that it's obviously Jupiter, the planet. So the answer is Jupiter. Let's move towards the second one. I am the second from the sun. I am bigger than the Uranus. I am an inner planet. I am the Greek goddess of love and beauty. I am dash. So as we know, it's obviously Venus. Let's move towards the third. I am closest to the sun. I am bigger than the Pluto and smaller than the earth. I am an inner planet. I am the messenger of the Greek gods. I am dash. So students, as we know from the question only, I am closest to the sun. Closest. Who is closest to the sun? That is obviously Mercury. So Let's move to the last. I am not a planet. I am a star. I am the center of the solar system. I am dash. As we know, students, all planets are around the sun, and consisting all of the planets, we are having this whole solar system. So as we can see, I am the center of solar system. So obviously it will be sun only. So that's all for today. Thank you, students.